The Redmi Buds 7 seconds have just been launched. These semi-in-ear headphones feature an ergonomic design with dual-driver acoustic architecture, a 12.4mm titanium-coated driver, and a 5.5mm electric micropipe, providing rich sound with detailed highs and deep bass. They come with 5 EQ presets and Neete's Cloud Music certification. The Sound ID function customizes audio after a quick test, and Xiaomi's HRTF algorithm delivers 360-degree spatial audio. Perfect for immersive experiences in both movies and games. It features dual microphones equipped with active noise cancellation, available in deep and balanced modes, and it has an adaptive system that adjusts to your surroundings. Additionally, it can resist wind noise up to 9 meters per second. The battery life offers 6.5 hours with each full charge and 32 hours with the case. Plus, it provides 2 hours of playtime with just a 10-minute charge. They allow connection to 2 devices simultaneously, offer quick pairing via the Xiaomi earbuds app, and include the new Cloud Light 2.0, which is... There's a light bar inside the charging case. They are available in Snow White, Lake Green, and Midnight Black colors, priced at 199.9 yuan in China. This is approximately $27. But keep in mind that prices here differ from those over there. Let me know if you're already considering changing your headphones or if you're not quite ready yet.